Good morning. Welcome to the Purnachandra Higher Secondary School. I am Thayal sir. I study here. I complete alkyl halide and aryl halide. In the previous part, I promised you that in the previous class, I learn you the important name reaction and the what are the mechanism involved in it. Here we study the Uj reaction, Uj fitting reaction, Marconi capsule, anti-Marconi capsule. In the alkyl halide part, there are two important name reaction, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. That is when it comes arise when the method of preparation of alkyl halide, the properties are when alkyl halide treated with aqueous KOH and when alkyl halide treated with alcoholic KH. One is alcoholic form, another one is alkenic form. Here the two important name reaction, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Today I learn you the difference between SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction and which and what type of alkyl halide the reactivity is more. Now study about the difference between SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. You already know you SN1 reaction, nucleophilic substitution, unimolecular reaction, nucleophilic substitution, bimolecular reaction. SN1 reaction, here is nucleophilic substitution, unimolecular reaction, SN2 nucleophilic substitution, bimolecular reaction. First we know what is unimolecular reaction and second one is what is bimolecular reaction. The unimolecular reaction, the reaction in which there is one reactant species or concentration of one term is involved. It's called unimolecular reaction and bimolecular reaction. The reaction in which two concentration terms are involved as reactant, that is called bimolecular reaction. As an example, C3Cl plus aqueous KOH, then C3OH plus SLH form. Also having the same example like a NF C3OH red. Red proportional to C3OH, CH3Cl and OH. There two terms are involved. Here one terms are involved. That is one concentration term is involved. Here two concentration term is involved. Another difference is it consists of or it is two-step reaction. It is a single step reaction. No intermediate form. No intermediate form. Intermediate form. intermediate is formed. Then mechanism. Mechanism, it is, I already tell you that it is two-step reaction. Step 1, formation of free radical. See this here, then free radical, that is carbocation, formation of carbocation. Cl minus, then another step 2, when carbocation reacts with base, then alcohol is formed. Another mechanism, third mechanism undergoes front side attack, where mechanism undergoes back side attack. Mechanism is when the base attack the alkyl halide, then an intermediate is formed. Intermediate, then an intermediate is formed. Here the dotted line denotes the here the new bonds are formed and old bonds are break. That is a intermediate is formed. Then intermediate, which is very unstable, then which becomes stable by removing the halogen group. Alcohol plus Cl minus. That's what the mechanism of SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Then now I can tell you the reactivity of the order of reactivity of SN1 and SN2 reaction, which alkyl halide are more readily reacts. That is here the order of reactivity. Order of reactivity. 3 degree is greater than 2 degree, then 1 degree. Here the order of reactivity. Order of reactivity 1 degree, more than 2 degree, then 3 degree. Because here 1 degree is more reactive toward the SN2 reaction, because here the electrophile attack in the back side. Then when I take, or when you take the, instead of 1 degree alkyl halide, you can take here the 3 degree alkyl halide. Then when base attack the carbon, then it is more steric hindrance react here, because due to presence of bulky group, methyl group. Steric hindrance, you know, the steric hindrance is that the repulsion between the electronic involvement of a bulky group. It is called steric hindrance. Here the order of reactivity is this: the tertiary alkyl halide is less reactive toward the SN2 reaction, because due to presence of bulky group. It is important that which a question arises in the examination point of view. Thank you.